Hey everyone, this is Greg Munroe with Munroe Morrow Wealth Management. Thought I would just do a quick video here because there's been a lot of financial media talking about the debt ceiling debate. Remember, the debt ceiling debate is a political event. It's not an economic event. It's a political event. Again, not an economic event. You would never, ever change any of your long-term investments based on this political fiasco where they play a game of chicken back and forth with the American public's money until they come to a decision. Both parties know it's a complete financial catastrophe and disaster to let the American economy default on its debt. It'll never happen with the strongest economy in the world. So this is just a game that's being played. So if you're a long-term investor, the reason I'm doing this video is I got an email from someone about their dad asking, the dad was going to take all of his money out of the stock market because of the debt ceiling debate. It's all because of the financial media scaring people. You would never ever would change your long-term investments based on a short-term political event. Remember, it's companies, not countries. It's profits, not politics, is where the stock market goes. Let me say that again. It's companies, not countries, and it's profits, not politics, is where the stock market goes. Remember, companies and profits. And by the way, earnings reports, if we're getting back to math and reality, have come in better than expected this last quarter. So stick with your long-term plan. Don't get faked out by short-term political events. That's all that said. Just keep in mind that if you needed your money in the short term, sure, the likelihood is that the market might trend lower as you get closer to this debt ceiling limit. But other than that, stick to your plan. If you needed short-term money, maybe you take your money now rather than wait a couple months from now. If you needed some short-term money for something like a car or a home remodel or something like that. But any of your long-term money, that is a disaster. That's a game for traders and traders that are trying to trade short-term, bringing the market down, bringing it back up, not for long-term investors, because you'd have to get two decisions right. If you tried to play that game, you'd have to try and figure out when to get out, when to get back in. That's financial disaster. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions about the debt ceiling debate and want to discuss it further, please get in touch with us. We'd be happy to go over it with you. Thank you.